Now that the car is on and you want to adjust your seat, you have the adjustments right here. Push forward, move forward, up. And now in here, if you want to adjust the steering wheel, you go here, the car. You can see right here, it says mirror or steering wheel. If you press this, it tells you this is for the left mirror, right there. And you have to use this button right here, up, it will move up, down. You press left, it will left, right, it will go right. If you want to change to the right one, all you have to do is tap on the right. That's it. Once you have it set up, just press save, and that's it. Same with the steering wheel. Touch the steering wheel, up, down, in, out, closer to you.